Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are making one of the most popular desserts in the world, Crème Caramel. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is caramelize your sugar and add some lemon. I do not add water to my caramel. High heat is applied to sugar and it begins to decompose and become a liquid. Pour some cold water and let's move to the next step. Warm up your milk, but don't let it boil, otherwise we'll cook the eggs. Let the sugar dissolve and add vanilla extract. Mix your 4 eggs well and then add to the warm milk. Bake in a preheated oven for 1.5 hours. Like every 30 minutes you should add cold water and ice. The temperature is 160 Celsius. Here it is, my crème caramel. It is still very hot, so wait to cool down and then serve with some fresh cream, strawberries or raspberries. Thank you for being part of my channel. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.